Hi Missy, so this is my robotic arm demonstration video. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first off, there are 6 degrees of freedom on this robotic arm. There's rotate the arm, bend here, bend here, bend here, bend here, rotate this whole thing, and then it can also clamp up the top. Currently it's just clamped to the table. That's my place right now. It can be permanently mounted. There are screw holes in the bottom. I just have to take the top cover off. But for now, it's quite nice to just build a clamp to any work surface and play around with it that way. I have a power bench supply that will be giving me the power, solid 5 volts. I can increase this maybe sometimes, someday. Currently, the servos for the most part can handle 6.5 volts, I believe. But the Arduino in the inside, Arduino Mego actually, it can only handle 5, so I have a buck booster in there that I can use to just power the Arduino while the whole other thing else runs off 6.5, if I want to do that later on. Currently it's all running on 5, just for simplicity. Yeah. So there's a power button over here, I can turn it on, and a light turns on over here. At the back, there is a port for uploading my code, and of course the top is unscrewable, easily fixable if need be, as well as there's some ports for wires. So I will put the camera on my mount and I will demonstrate working. I have this set up this way so you can see what I'm doing with the controls, and I'll commentate the whole way through. So this blue stick here, right and left, controls this joint here. Oopsies. Yeah, there. Controls this joint here. Up and down controls this joint here. Up and down here controls the rotation of the arm. Left and right controls this movement here. Just like that. Pressing the blue button down opens or closes the gripper. This button over here, when I click it down, it saves the position, and when I click it the second time, it goes to that position and then holds it for 4 seconds. I mean, that can be changed later on. And then currently you'll notice that when I go to a position, the whole arm is kind of slow, but that can be, it can actually go much faster, but I'm just scared of how fast it actually moves. So right now I have it limited to a certain speed, and that could just be changed in code. So I'll move to the position. How about that one there? That's kind of weird. There. Okay. Notice that position. I will save it by clicking this white button. Just did. Here, I'll close the zipper. And then of course I can play around with it some more, whatever I want to do. And then I just click my white button, and it should go back to that position it was at earlier. There, it opens it up, 4 seconds, should close it, and then I can control it again whatever I want. And automatically, because these are spring loaded, it just returns to its home position once it's done. I move it. So I'll save this position right there. Click this, goes there. So I hope to be able to stack blocks with this thing, or something like that, so where I can give it a bunch of commands, go to this position, grab something, move to another position, and deposit the block there, whatever. And so that's why I'm working with saving positions right now. Do that. Save that position there. Press the button again, and it goes to that position without me touching it. So that's my demonstration. Hope you enjoyed it. See ya.